If you're a creator dreaming of pro videos on a budget, you're in the right place. Let's get into the best affordable cameras for YouTube and TikTok. Hey creators! I'm here at Buratech Review, where we break down the best tech for you. No face reveals, just real talk. Today, let's talk about cameras that help your content pop, even if you're short on cash. First up, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. It's lightweight, has great autofocus, and the flip screen is perfect for vlogging solo. Next, check out the Sony ZV-1. Super compact, awesome for both video and stills, plus built-in stabilization for those smooth TikToks. Don't forget the Panasonic Lumix G7. Underrated but shoots crisp 4K video, making it a favorite for budget-conscious creators. And if you're really tight on funds, your smartphone might surprise you. Just grab a budget-friendly tripod and you're set. No matter your style or platform, there's a budget camera here to help you shine. Hit that subscribe for more smart reviews, only on Buratech Review.